Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay. If you are new here, if you are not new here, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and I would love to have you here, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into today's video. Actually getting ready to head out to just go pick up a couple things from outside, and we actually have to stop at my mother-in-law's house. She wants us to help her just redecorate her living and dining room area, so I need to go pick up some, what do you call it, the painter's tape, and go measure out her space just to see what we can fit in there. I think she wants to get a new couch, new dining room set, so we're gonna go ahead and help her just make those changes in her home. I'm super excited because I love doing interior designing, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hello. Oh, we put the tree up. Oh, and by the way, I went ahead and I shampooed and styled my hair myself. It's kind of growing on me. I'm kind of liking it, so I figured out it's not really much of the cut that I don't like since I styled it myself. I think it's just the length of it. I thought that it was the same length that I did the first time when I cut it, but the first time when I cut my hair, I think it was right here. So it was maybe about, what, an inch longer. So I think it's more so the length, but my hair grows pretty fast. So I think at least by next month, I should have that inch. And everything for the most, it's almost the same length. So it should be fine. But yeah, it's somewhat growing on me. So I may not do that sewing like I said I'm going to do. But you know, I always like changing up my hair. So yeah, let me show you guys my tree. I didn't finish decorating the living room. I only decorate my living room for Christmas time. I do not decorate the whole house. I ain't got time for that. We just decorate the living room. We just do the tree, the fireplace, and the coffee and TV stand. That's it. I don't do all that. I don't listen, okay? So let me show you guys what we have. My daughter actually decorated the tree this year. She picked the colors and everything, so it's pretty cute. So this year we decided to go with burgundy. We're doing burgundy and gold. It's super cute. And by the way, guys, it's like 3:35 and it's like super gloomy out and dark in here, so I don't even know what's going on. But yeah, so I just have to finish doing over here the fireplace. I normally change out that picture. I sometimes leave the picture of the kids up there, and I just normally decorate up there, and I do like a little my little houses, I put them up there. And on the coffee table, I don't really do much on the coffee table. I leave it as is because I really like my coffee table really bare, so I don't do much here. And I add a couple of things here. That's not staying there. My son just put that there last night when we were decorating the tree, so that's probably not going to stay there. I normally put that either under the tree or I put it on the fireplace. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm super excited. I have not really been in a, let me put you guys back down. I'm super excited. I haven't really been in much of a Christmas spirit, but since I put the tree up last night, we had Christmas music on, putting up the trees and the decoration. You know, we did a little jamming. It was fun. I'm excited. I actually need to look up some Christmas activities to do this year with the kids. But I'm super excited. Oh, and I wanted to give you guys an update on one of the books that I told you about. I actually started reading this when I went to the hair salon the other day, and I actually really like this. If you're someone who likes making plans and like goals for the new year, I definitely think you should pick up this book and read it before you do so, because the book talks a lot about how like pretty much we all set goals, and then after you you've accomplished those goals, it's pretty much you have nothing else to work towards to. So instead of you setting goals, you should just make little life changes. So I actually really like that. So if you're someone who likes setting goals for the new year and you want to make life changes, definitely pick this up. It has some really good tips in here, so I like it so far. But yeah, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing today. It's gloomy and cold out. It's I think like maybe 30 something degrees, but it says it feels like 27. So I have on my super cozy turtleneck. I love this, even though sometimes it makes me look like I have a neck brace on. I'm normally super warm in it, so I normally pull this out anytime it's cold. So I'll show you guys really quick. So my lighting over here is like bad. Please excuse all the sodas in the background, in the back. We hosted Thanksgiving this year and we don't really drink sodas, so that's just all the sodas that we have left from hosting, just sitting out there. But yeah, so I'm just going to wear my turtleneck. I believe this is from H&M. I think I got it maybe 2 or maybe even 3 years ago. It's super cozy, super comfortable. It's not itchy and it's very warm. And I'm just wearing my black jeans, and I don't know what I'm going to put on my feet yet. I don't know if I'm going to just put on my Adidas or if I'm going to put some boots on. I'll probably just put on some sneakers, to be honest, because we'll be running errands. I'll be in and out of the car, so there's no need for me to dress up a lot. But yeah, so I have to go run to Home Depot. I have to run to the supermarket, pick up a couple of items, and then we're gonna head to my mother-in-law's house. I don't know if I'm going to record while I'm there. That is her space, and I don't know if she'll want me to put that on camera. I'll maybe try to get a clip of something, maybe a before, so I can show you guys a before and after. But if not, I will check back in with you guys at some point. So I dragged my husband and Dollar Tree with me so I can record. I'm not gonna bother going to Home Depot since we were near Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna see if they have the tape here. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of days since I last picked up the camera. It has been a crazy week at work and after work. I actually had content planned out for this week and I have not been able to do it. Last night, we have this little community tree lighting thing that we normally go to every year. I think you guys are crooked because you are. Like, we have a community tree lighting that we normally go to every year, and we weren't able to go last night because my son wasn't feeling well. So yeah, I really wanted to record that, but he wasn't feeling well, so we ended up staying home last night. We didn't go. My daughter went, but we did not go. Today I stayed home from work so I can be home with my son. So I'm working from home today actually. So yeah, that's always fun. So why is my camera so crooked? So yeah, today is Friday. I don't really have anything planned this week or this weekend. I actually really just want to stay in the house this weekend. I feel like these past couple weekends I've literally been doing something every weekend. We're currently helping my mother-in-law do over her apartment, so we're also pretty busy with that. So yeah, we've kind of been dealing with that as well. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say hi because I haven't picked up the camera in a while. I feel like anytime I have any like good content planned out, it's like something always pops up. But you know, gotta push through. Even though I feel like some of the things that I record, it's kind of repetitive because I don't, like I said, I work full-time. I'm a mom of 2. By the time I come home from work, it's like I'm doing mom things, so I don't really feel like I need to pick up the camera to show you me cooking and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe I need to start doing that a little bit more. But I just try to pick up my camera when I know I have something going on that will be a bit more entertaining than just me sitting here talking, showing you guys me cooking or stuff like that. But at this point, I just need to pick up the camera and record so I can be consistent like I plan on being. But yeah, so I don't have much going on. It is currently, I can't even see the time from here. It's currently 12:25. I'm going to finish up some work, respond to some emails. I think I might log out a little bit early since I did technically take the day to be with my son. I still kind of been responding to emails and checking stuff just so that I'm not backed up with work on Monday. So yeah, I'll just stay logged in for a couple longer and probably just go relax. Maybe watch a movie with my son if he's up to it. But yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys at some point.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to BeautybyKayMonae. Today, for this Christmas, we'll be baking cookies.
Hopefully you guys don't like these or I'm gonna be mad.
Okay, so first, these Sugar Tree Mondews Holiday Fun Cookies have 20, but we're not big, so we're only gonna eat 10. So we're gonna have 10 of these, half, and 6 of these, because they're 12, which is also half. These are the holiday cookies, unbaked. Wow, are you recording? Wow, what beautiful cookies. Well, that's 5.
Sound like a kindergartner YouTuber right now. It's like Bloopy and he's like instructing people.
I'm gonna show you a Bloopy. Wow, those are the 10 cookies. As you can see, they're all different in their special way, which means everyone could be different in their special way. Special way. Hashtag love all, no hate, have a Merry Christmas, or the Grinch is gonna get you. And when I'm back in Chicago, I have another vision of me. Can you cut this out? Here's a cookie plate. Plate is a plate, right? No, sheet.
Yeah.
Time to open up the oven.